Britannica ImageQuest is a subscription service that we use to help us find copyright-free images for use in different projects. To access it, you're going to open up ClassLink, and then you can search for Britannica ImageQuest, or it has some mountains with an orange background. So you will open that. It should automatically log you into our district account, and then you can search for photos that you might need for your project. So for example, if I type in lion, when I see a photo I like, I can press that twice to open it larger, and then I'm gonna press and hold and choose save to photos. It'll ask if it's allowed to have access to my photos. I press allow, and then when I double press my home button and open up my photos, I should see that image there for me to use. Now, it's a good idea to go ahead and write down the title of the image. In this case, it's just lion, and you also would want to write down who you should give photo credit to. In this case, it's Adam Jones. Quickly, that is how you can find images in Britannica ImageQuest and save them to your iPad.